Hey there, if you own your own cleaning business, this spreadsheet template bundle will help you to stay organized. There are 17 spreadsheets inside this tracker. You can keep track of your appointments, your schedule, your pricing, your income and expenses, social media marketing, your mileage, and more. I'm going to show you how it works. Let's get started. So first we're in the client tracker, and then for everything you're just going to type in information. So client's name would go here, and then this is more like a CRM. So they've contacted you and they want to schedule cleaning. This is a great way to know if you've contacted them, when is the last time you contacted them, and have they set an appointment. This next sheet is the appointment tracker. So you put the client's information again, and then is the appointment pending, confirmed, or canceled? You'll put in the price of the cleaning. And then there's a drop-down box for the type. Do they want you to clean weekly, one time, monthly? And then how long will it take to clean? And then the start time, if they've paid you, and then the date they paid you. And then these are checkboxes for reminders. This is the master schedule, so you can put the client's name, the employee, if you've got multiple employees, so you can track all of your employees and where everyone is going to clean for that day, the start time and end time, and then the price of the cleaning. This is your basic price list. So you're basically putting in, your price on here. This is printable as well. This is your bookkeeping dashboard. This will help you to track your total income and expenses for the year. Everything on this dashboard is in a formula. So everything's going to be coming in automatically from this income and expenses tab. So the only thing that you would want to be able to change on here would be the year. So if this is not 2025, you can come in and choose a different date. And then once you choose a different date, it would change all the rest of the years. The income and expenses tab is really easy to use. You're just going to choose the date. Is it an income? What type of cleaning or what happened? So cleaning for the first. And then this is client number 2. And then how much did you make during the cleaning? What expenses were there? And then any taxes that were paid. So this will calculate your income, your expenses, all of your tax, and your net profit. You can track your equipment here. So you're just putting in the item, the purchase date, the make, model, serial number, the cost, if there's a replacement cost, and more. This is an invoice template, so you can track and send invoices for clients, put in their contact information, and then this will add up for you. So if this is a cleaning, you put in the quantity, the price, it will calculate tax for you. And you can also import your logo in here as well, print this out. There's a marketing tracker. This one is a little bit more complex. Let's see. So we'll just delete all of those things out there, and then you can just put in the campaign. You're just making up a campaign name. When did the campaign start? When did it end? What platform? How much did you spend on it? How many items did you advertise? Did you, one product or two? How many impressions did you get? How many clicks did you get? How many sales did you get from this? So that's your conversions, revenue. And then it will tell you your cents per click, your click-through rate percentage, your conversion rate, your return on investment, and return on ad spend. And is your campaign active or complete? This will show you your total revenue from the ads and then how much you've spent. This is your social media post manager. So this will help you to track and plan ahead for social media posts. So just putting in the date of the post, putting in the title and description, and then as you're ready to post it, or if you have someone else working for you, they can just check this off as it's done. Mileage tracker, let's see, we'll put in the date here and then the description and where you're going from and where you're going to, what your odometer reading is, and then what the odometer finish was. So it'll calculate your total number of miles. I think 70 or 72 cents is typical for reimbursement. So this will calculate your mileage cost, if there's any parking fees or toll fees on the way there, and then the total claim for your mileage. Let's see. So if there was $5, it would be $1.96. And if you had to pay for gas, this will calculate your total amount paid for gas. It'll also calculate your total mileage cost, how many miles and how many trips that you've taken. If you have staff working for you, this is a great way to keep up with paying your staff. So you can just come up here at the top and choose the start date for the week, and then it will fill out the days for you. Your staff will come in and put their time in and time out, and make sure that you're putting it in this format, and then it will calculate your total hours. If they've worked overtime, it will calculate for you. It will calculate your total hours. If the you're paying your staff, say $15 an hour, it will calculate their total pay, and any overtime hours it will calculate as well. So this is how much you would be paying your staff for that week. This is an inventory tracker for any cleaning supplies that you might have. So if you have, vinegar, how many bottles do you have? Do you have a good stock or not? This is a cleaning sign-off sheet. A lot of times if you're working, in an office building, you can print this out. And if anyone needs to come in and clean the counters, sinks, all of the things, they can check this off. Or you can print this out blank, and then they can just sign their name and put their initials in there. Move out cleaning checklist. This is great for you to use. You can use this on a tablet when you are cleaning, and this is just base for all the things that need to be done for a move out cleaning. As you get the items complete, you can just check them off. If you don't like anything that I have, by all means, highlight it and delete it, and then you can start from scratch and write your own, write out your own things and check it off as it's done. You can choose the move out date and then the client's name and their contact information. This is a standard cleaning checklist. So I've got basics for what needs to be done in each room. And again, check things off as you get them done, or if you need to rewrite it, just delete it and type it in. And then there's also a deep cleaning checklist as well. So that is how to use the Cleaning Business Template Bundle. It is available in Google Sheets and Excel. It's available on my website at savvyandthriving.com. Have a great day.